Hello, students, and welcome to my class. Hope you are following the instructions to protect yourself from COVID 19. Today, we will start our second chapter in social study, that is, from New Delhi towards India. Before we start this lesson, it is very important to know the area of our country, India. So, student, India is a very big country with an area of 32.8 lakhs square kilometers. India extends from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, approximately 3200 kilometers, and from Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Gujarat in the west, that is 3000 kilometers. While traveling by train, we come across very famous states of India. These are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Maharashtra, and Karnataka in southwest. So, first of all, we will talk about Kashmir as we start our journey from Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir is a beautiful state of north of India. It is a hilly state with beautiful mountains surrounded with snow and beautiful chinar trees. Dal Lake is a beauty of Kashmir with floating shikaras and houseboats on it. It is an attraction of Kashmir that tourists from all over the world come here. Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. It is also famous for Vaishno Devi and Amarnath shrines. As we move on towards southwest, we come across a famous city of Rajasthan, that is Jaipur. This city is also called Pink City because all shops and houses are painted in pink colors. This city was established by Savai Raja Jai Singh and named after his name. As we move ahead, we see Mumbai, a beautiful and famous city of Maharashtra. Student, it is also famous for Indian film industry, that is Bollywood. Besides, Gateway of India is very popular throughout the world. As you see in the picture, this is Bangalore. This city is hub of information technology. It is also known as Silicon Valley of India. In southernmost tip of India, we see Kanyakumari. It is located in Tamil Nadu. Here at Kanyakumari, the three seas meet. One is Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, and Indian Ocean in south. This part makes a peninsula. Let me explain you, students. Peninsula is a place which is surrounded by water from three sides. Another beauty of Kanyakumari is its temple and Vivekanand rocks. From here, as we move on towards northeast, we meet a beautiful city, that is Hyderabad. This city is the joint capital of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states. Students, Hyderabad is famous for its Charminar and Golconda Fort. Besides, diamond and pearl trade is very famous here. Kolkata is a famous city of West Bengal state. During Navratras, this city is beautifully decorated. Huge statues of Ma Durga are decorated in all pandals. Student, isn't it interesting that we are gaining so much knowledge about India and its states? As we move towards northeastern part of India, we come to see beauty of seven sisters. These seven sisters are not really sisters, but these are seven beautiful states surrounded by mountains. These are Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, and Tripura. So, students, this was our journey from Delhi towards India. Hope you have enjoyed it and gained very big knowledge about India. But it is your turn now. What you have to do? You have to take a map of India and mark all the cities, places, and states that you have crossed during this journey from Delhi towards India. And in the last of these slides, students, you have to complete these sheets and get it checked by your teacher when you meet her. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.